gosh. Can you hear that? I'm hearing these really weird, it's freaking me out. Can you hear that? See, I'm not crazy. Oh my gosh. Trying to get that sound to come back. That's just a car driving by, or a truck. What you talking about? That sound's gonna make a liar out of me. You're gonna trip though if you hear it, Derek, I'm telling you. It's freaky. Almost sounds like it's far that way. Can you hear that? Listen. Almost like it maybe traveled. So maybe it is something in the like untested planes or something. Said earlier, those people are outside. I'm gonna go interview them and ask.